In this video, I will show you how to borrow money from Cash App. So let's head over into my account. As you can see in here, I haven't verified my identity yet, so it is one of the requirements. Let's head over into the support section by clicking on that support tab, and that will redirect us into a new section where you will be able to find all of the available for us to get. So in the search field, you can go ahead and search for that. You can also click on that borrow tab, and as you can see in here, you can't borrow yet on Cash App. Cash App Borrow is not currently available to all US residents, and there are a list of potential factors that may influence a customer's eligibility to Cash App Borrow. So as you can see in here, the state of resident, Cash App usage, direct deposit enabled for a customer's Cash App account. And although Cash App Borrow is not available to you right now, we are working hard to expand Borrow to more customers like yourself. You will be notified if the Cash App Borrow is already available for your account. As for mine, it is not yet due to the fact that my account isn't verified as well. And that's basically how you can borrow money from Cash App. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.